The son of Somalia's president was convicted in Istanbul courtroom but escaped prison time for crash that killed a motorcycle courier in the city. Case that sparked outrage and demands for justice across Turkey. Hasan Say Mahmud was sentenced to 2.5 years in prison on Tuesday and a fine of 27,300 Turkish liras after pleading guilty to manslaughter for fatally Yunus Emre Göcer, a married father of two. Translated. In late November, according to Turkish state broadcaster TRT Haber, the case sparked controversy in Turkey after Mohammed fled the country following the fatal incident, leading to criticism of police and prosecutors for perceived inaction. According to TRT, the arrest warrant for Mahmud, who returned to Turkey to testify in court on Friday, was lifted. Mohammed did not need to be in court on Tuesday when the verdict in the case was read. According to TRT, he was initially sentenced 3 years in prison, but this sentence was reduced 2.5 years due to good behavior. Under Turkish penal law, the court can choose to convert sentence of this length into a fine, and it did so by sparing Mohammed prison sentence. According to TRT News, his driver's license will be cancelled for 6 months. Lawyer Ayaz Simon, who represents Göcer's family, told CNN that his clients have agreed to withdraw their formal complaint against Mohammed. He did not say whether the agreement with Mohammed, if any, led to this decision or whether financial compensation would be paid to the family. Mahmud's case is one of 2 cases involving the sons of prominent foreign officials that raise questions about fairness in the justice system. A second collision occurred in December, allegedly involving the son of a former Yemeni defense minister, who police say hit 2 pedestrians. The 2 cases have no direct connection to each other than coincidental timing. Intense public interest in both, especially after the initial missteps and inconsistencies of police prosecutors in the first case. According to Turkish police, Mahmud, 40, son of Somali President Hasan Sheikh Mahmud, hit scooter delivery driver Göcer while behind the wheel of a black BMW with diplomatic plates in southwest Istanbul on November 30. According to prosecutors' statement, Göcer on December 6, and therefore the nature of crime changed from negligent injury to negligent homicide. An arrest warrant was issued 2 days later. Lawyer Simon, who represents Göcer's family, told CNN in December that Mohammed left the country on December 2. Before a search warrant was issued, Simon had previously told CNN that initial police reports suggested victim had made an illegal lane change, but only after public scrutiny, and after victim and charge became more serious, did a later report cast doubt on police's initial assessment. The second report, Independent Experts, states that the mainly negligent party was Mahmud. A third report, aimed at resolving inconsistencies between the initial police report and the subsequent expert report,